Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So it's that time again, start of a new trading week. Markets open in just under 12 hours, and I'm just about to send out my signals to my signals subscribers. So as always, just for being a member of my email list or my YouTube channel, I'm going to give you a free trade alert this week. And the signal this week will be on the CAD Japanese yen. So these are the 17 possible setups that I'm looking at this week. Not obviously they're all blanked out. If you're a subscriber, you'll be getting these sent to you not long from now. If you want to subscribe, you can click the link below, head over to the site. You can either do the manual signals yourself, or you can sign up to the CADJPY service, where I simply do, enter the trades for you and exit the trades for you. So it's all done, completely done for you. Okay, so signal that you receive this week is on the CAD Japanese yen. It's a sell trade at 83.4, 83,400, and there's a mistake there on the stop loss, but I'll just fix that in a minute here. So the stop loss on the CAD will be, so we're entering just based on this here signal up here, 83.4, and stop loss is going to be above this zone. So stop loss is 84.1. Okay, so I'll just write that out for you. So okay, so text sell. Let's see if we can fit this in a bit better. Text. Okay. Do a bit font size. 32. So it's sell. CAD Japanese yen at 83.4. Stop loss is going to be stop loss at 84.1, and take profit on this trade is 80. Okay, so take profits at 80. Okay. Take profit at 80. Okay, so that's a free trade for this week. Sell CAD yen at 83.4, stop loss at 84.1, and take profit at 80. Okay, so just write that down there. You can pause the video. Okay, so you pause the video, you've written that down. That trade last week was on the Euro USD. We're a bit unlucky with that trade, missed out a few pips. That's part of the game sometimes. Okay, so again, the trade this week is on the CAD yen. Free setup at 83.4, stop loss at 84.100, and take profit is at 80. Okay, so again, these are 17 signals that I'm looking, or yeah, 17 trades I'm looking at this week. Give you one free one, number 14. Some nice setups this week. Again, last week we made around 350 pips on the signal service, and looking likely this week there's some very nice setups happening. So to actually access the service, the signal service, you just click the link below, and you can head over to the site here. Just move that out. Head over to the website. Sign up here. You can either sign up for the signal service where you enter the trades manually, or you can select the copy service. okay, where I actually entered the signals for you. Okay, so first week of the trade copy service, it's going to be very, very powerful. Click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know. Well at the fxace.com, and have a great week there, trading wise. Okay, thank you.